Okay, so we have the big poop and the baby poop. And, yeah, that's Starbound Frackin' Universe in a nutshell, folks. Hey there, everybody! This is Hardly Bardly. Welcome back to another edition of Starbound Frackin' Universe mod. When we last left off, we took a look at the lava planets, also known as magma planets. And now we're going to take a look at the Frackin' Universe dark counterpart of that, the dark magma planet. So first things first, we are going to move on down here to view this planet. Here it is. And it says, this is a dangerously hot planet. This dangerously hot planet is chiefly composed of magma. Remember, your resilient spirit is admirable, but it is not flame retardant. And it says, even though the climate threat is 0, it still has deadly heat, so, you know, take that as you will. Fauna threat is extreme, and this one is a large planet. And it says that the surface biomes are dark magma, gore forest, and magma, with smog and light luminous rain. And we have some very high tier ores such as cinnabar and pyrite, as well as agisalt and densinium. Alright, so let's take a look at this dark magma planet. Now, like a lot of the dark planets, these can only be found around black stars, which is another Frackin' Universe specific thing. So let's hop on down here. The first thing you're going to notice is a flag I put there, and chili pepper up here. But the first thing you're going to notice is that there are a lot of similarities between this and the magma planet that we've already seen before. For instance, the wildlife is the same, and the backgrounds are very much the same. And in fact, one of the magma planets that we visited earlier was just as dark as this one. So let's hop around through here and see if we can find the other biomes. Yay for admin cheats, not dying. Whee! Doesn't look like it through here. We're just gonna walk under the lava for a little bit, I guess. You know, not a big deal. Just bouncing around under the lava. Wow, that's an interesting looking critter. I want to catch it, guys. Yes, I know this is Starbound and not Pokemon, but it has enough elements, it may as well be. Okay, so I'm going to, like, attack this thing real quick. Wow, that thing's pretty tough. Can I just go ahead and capture it? No, don't land in the... Oh, yay. We got it before it landed in the actual lava. And it's called Some Indescribable Horror. Okay, so I guess I'll have to look that up later and see what it is. But anyway, we're just gonna bounce around here. And what is that? It is a tiny mushroom dude. I want it. You're coming with me, my friend. You're gonna be my friend forever and ever. And ever and ever and ever. And I'm seeing a lot more magma rock, but not this gore forest like it was talking about. Surely we're getting closer to it. Yep, there's a tree. Oh look, it's another one of those things. Come back here. You're mine now. Well, I guess the gore forest consisted of one tree. Sorry, but do those look like tiny crosses to you? I guess that's kind of foreshadowing for anybody that lands on one of these is pretty much out of luck anyway. And... ah, here we go. Here's our gore forest. So it's all those eyeball things. Ooh, that's cool looking. So we actually have a little forest area on this planet. What's here? Protect village. Okay, so we have angry Florins on this planet. I'm surprised they managed to survive here, but okay. You know, whatever. And then I'm just falling into the magma? Molten metal. These look like ruins of sorts. Okay. That's kind of cool looking. Ooh. All kinds of stuff here. Yes, all kinds of things. Oh my. Just, yeah, look at that. All that volcanic rock and stuff. Wow. That's... You didn't run across anything that cool with the other lava planet. Yay. And what the... Stoneworm statues? Okay, interesting, interesting. It looks like a little crystal biome. And a bunch of that Pyreite Ore, cinnabar, and a diamond. That's nice. It's always nice to have diamonds. Those are one of the highest sellers in the game. And it looks like we're heading to a lava core, so let's go ahead and head back up. So since we actually have another dark magma planet in this solar system, we're just going to head on over there. Oops, I backed out of it. There we go. This one's got a warp field and more magma. And it has pretty much all the same things as the other one. It's a medium-sized one. And it looks like the flavor text is the same. So we're going to hop down to this one and take a look around. See if we got a different background for this one or if it's virtually the same as the other. And this one seems to be a lot darker. This is what I would expect a dark magma planet to look like. Look at that. Isn't that just eerie looking? There's just little stars out there twinkling about. But yeah, it just looks so dark and foreboding in the background, like nothing but rocks, jagged rocks jutting up out of the magma, or lava, or, well, is it really called magma if it's an ocean worth on the surface? Would it still be lava? And what did I just do? I apparently jumped off the edge of the world. That's nice to know. We have a huge, just a wave of magma just cascading down. And it looked like there's honey there, but there's actually nothing, and we're just falling through the air. Okay, that's all good. I'm cool with that. It's a very shallow sea at this point, and now it's rising up again. And I'm in some sort of liquid that I can't tell what it is. I am in blood. I am in blood, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at this. Where is my... there it is. There's my plasma pack. Okay. So, yeah. I went from magma to standing in a sea of blood. This must be that warp field that they were talking about. Oh, right. I can't jump up there very high. It looks like the gravity on this planet's a little bit deeper than the other ones, too. But if I don't want to sacrifice my jump ability, then I've got to deal with it. Ah, it looks like proto shell. And what are those bouncy thingies? Oh my goodness. Those are... They look like little bouncy poops with blushy faces. It's so weird. Some of the creatures in this game are so weird. I did not mean to actually kill them entirely. Can I attack you? I have to weaken you? No, you're gonna die. Did that weaken you? Can I capture you now? No, can I? Okay, yeah, that's I don't want to kill you, so If you could go away, that would be great. I'm just gonna take this blood. I don't know whose blood this is, but I'm just gonna take it. Yep, because I'm just going around collecting blood and being chased by poops. I'm being chased by a sentient poop. It's something that you never want to say happened to you in your life, that you were chased by walking poops. Because most people will probably look at you like you were on an LSD trip. And then these look like giant poops. Okay, so we have the big poop and the baby poop. And, yeah, that's Starbound Frackin' Universe in a nutshell, folks. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start tunneling down through the ground and see what we can find besides poops. First thing you're going to notice that the lava's going to come after us, especially if we do that and take out the background. And we obviously have unrefined gabbro, sorry. And ash like we did on the lava planet. And then we're getting into that Pyreite Ore, some gold ore. And all of these seem to be fairly large caches of jewels and everything. Or, not jewels, but gems. Whoa! I just hit rock bottom. Hard. But really large ore deposits here. Pretty much anytime you're on a volcanic or a magma planet or anything with lava on it, you're going to have huge caches of ores if you can make it to the bottom of the actual planet. So it's basically your reward for surviving that long. And it looks like there's a few Urchius crystals. It says ammonium sulfate. Interesting. And it looks like we may have reached almost the center of the earth again. I'm just gonna fall down. Yep, we've reached the core. Alright, so those were magma planets in a nutshell. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it with all your friends. Also hit the notification bell, that way you can catch the next video as soon as it comes out. Alright, this is Harley Barley, signing out.